Good day, Nigerians. Good day, Africa. Good day to everyone joining this live video as I speak. My name is Adibimpe Olajiga, reporting for Punch newspaper. And just so you know, we bring to you the latest updates everywhere in the world. We're presently live at the State High Court in Ibushiri, where the trial of Chidinma continues. And today at the court, as you can see, we have heavy security presence here, and we've been hindered from getting a close view of Chidinma as they're restricting us from filming. Phones might be snatched if care is not taken by security personnel.
Thank you, sir. No, she didn't.
So I'll be giving you updates despite we not being able to give you a close view of what Chidinma looks like. But I saw her at the court. She was present at the court today. And just like I said earlier, we are live at the State High Court in Ibushiri. So far, if you can recall, Chidinma is a 300 level Unilag student who allegedly killed. Who is your inmate, ma? So, ma, why can't we video? Who is your inmate, and why can't we video her?
She didn't say who the person is. And
so now she's asking us if we can. So as I was saying earlier, the 300 level Unilag student who allegedly killed Osifo Ataga, the Super TV CEO, was live in court today, and we had a witness in court in person of Nkechi Mogbo, who is the owner of the apartment in Lekki Phase 1 where the late Osifo was murdered. I'll be going down now. I think the press are being chased from this place, and like I said, you can see we have heavy security presence here, and we are hindered from getting a close view of Chidinma at the moment. But I'll be going downstairs now to give you the update of what happened inside the court today. And like I said earlier, Chidinma was present in court today, and we had a witness, that is the owner, the landlady of the Airbnb, the apartment where the late Osifo was killed. And she said, she confirmed so many things to the judge today. Despite all the questions she was asked, she answered the questions. And she also narrated that on June 13th, it was on a Sunday, that she got a call from home about 4 p.m. according to her, and she said that the call was from a private number which she ignored the first time, and she picked the call the second time. Then there was a lady who said she said she saw it online and needed to confirm the apartment. She said the person who called her with the private number claimed to be Jewel. That was the name she disclosed to her. Then she sent a message to her on WhatsApp, and for the benefit of those just joining, the name of the owner of the apartment where the late Osifo was killed, her name is Nkechi Mogbo, and she was present in court today, and I'm trying to give you a lowdown of everything she said in court today. She also said that she sent her a message on WhatsApp with the images of what she wants to get from her, the apartment. She said she will have to, then she confirmed the images and she said the rooms were available. Then then this supposed person who named herself as Jewel said she would go to the apartment to check it out. On getting to the apartment, she checked it out and said she wanted to pay for 3 days, which she called the security to give her the key. So afterwards, she also said that she also explained how all things led to the murder of the Super TV CEO. She said she put a call across to her security on a different issue on that fateful day. She just called the security to ask him questions. Now Chidinma is leaving the court, as you can see. I told you it's gonna be a deep. I told you we had every security presence here who are restricting us from filming Chidinma. But as you can see, now the prison officials are taking her to the vehicles, despite them saying they don't want us to film her, they don't want us to take a glimpse of what she looks like. But right in front of me, on a blue jean and black tees, that is Chidinma, who allegedly killed the Super TV CEO. And now she's being led into the bus that will take her back to the prison. If you can get a close glimpse of what I'm showing you, she's at the back and leaving the state high court.
Fine, you careful, oh.
For over 5 days, the judge stated that the trial will go on for. This is like the first time Chidinma will be bringing, the press will be given full access to see her leave the court. Several occasions she would be kept and led out of the court after journalists have left. But now you can see she's going back to the female prison and has left the court. And for those benefit of those just joining this live video, like I said earlier, we had the landlady of the apartment where the Super TV CEO was killed, and she's in person of Nkechi Mogbo, and she was a witness today and explained how she rented the apartment to them for 3 days at first, that somebody called her with a private number and she didn't pick at first. Then she picked the second time, and the person was named Jewel. According to her, the person named herself Jewel and said she wanted to rent the apartment, decided to send her pictures that she saw the apartment online, and she decided to send her pictures to confirm what she wanted. MS Nkechi also confirmed that the apartment was available, and she decided to go and check it. She sent her the address, and on getting there, she said she was going to take the apartment, which she said she was going to send the money immediately. And not long, MS Nkechi Mogbo confirmed that she got the payment of 100 and Miss MS Nkechi Mogbo confirmed that she got the payment of 125,000 naira, and it contained the initiator of the payment, which is Michael Osifo, from a GTB account, the time of the and date of the transaction. And she also confirmed that she was the recipient and her name was written there as the description. She also said that following the payments, the security handed the key to the apartment on the same day. And 2 days after, at about 5:30, these are the words of the owner of the apartment where Chidinma, where the late Osifo, the late Super TV CEO, was killed. She confirmed that 2 days later she was due to check out. That was on June 16th, but she got another text from the lady that a friend would like to extend for 3 more days, and that will be making the payment the next day, and they will also make the payments the next day, which she said okay, fine. She agreed, and she confirmed that she's only running a business just like every other hardworking person in Nigeria, and she didn't intentionally leave the knife in the room for the mother, because she was asked that why was the knife in the room. She was also asked if there's an apartment facing the apartment where Chidinma was lodged with the deceased, and she confirmed that there's an apartment adjacent to the room where Chidinma and the late Osifo was, and she also mentioned the name that Mr. Babatunde was the one that was lodged in that apartment. The case was further adjourned, and trust us at Punch newspaper to also always bring you updates around the country and around the world. Don't forget to put on your post notification. Thank you so much for joining us on this live. My name is Adebimpe Olajiga. Thank you for watching.